She's at it again. Doing her little sexy dance.
Is satisfied, but it looks like the ducklings aren't.
This is a female hen doing her mating dance.
Nothing he's doing scares the ducklings off. Until something big happens. Little Finn finds
Ken?
his voice. Finn's
There's no mail for you, chicken.
scare off the ducks, but it
Hmm?
does get Mom's attention.
Hmm?
And that's enough to get them moving. When it comes to herding and being
Oh,
herded,
chicken.
these guys are on opposite sides. But at the end of the day, these two flocks are really just birds of a feather.
This is very female behavior. No male is going to do this. Sure, they might lower their back, but they're not going to do it like this. Females are going to do it like this.
Their coloring is a
You see her peeping. You hear her peeping. You see her little wings going up and down.
time their fur gets dark.
Her little bum hole is pulsating. If you can see, it's a little blurry. It's very female behavior.
Especially on the parts that get cold. Like their ears, nose,
You done, chicken? All done. All done. Tick, 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 tick. All done.
Finn's kittens have followed Mom into a new hiding place.
She's tired herself out. All done.